Welcome to a culinary journey that combines traditional Indian flavors with modern flair. Grilled chicken herb tawa with a rustic tomato chutney. First, let's prepare the marinade. Arrange 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of dill leaves, 2 tablespoons of chopped spinach, 2 tablespoons of chopped mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of color capsicums each, 1 teaspoon of toasted cumin seeds, juice of 2 limes, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, tossed garlic, ginger, green chili, cumin seeds, fresh herbs, coriander, mint, dill, spinach, plus yogurt, lime juice, and salt into a blender. Blitz it into a smooth green magic paste. Now grab your chicken breasts, coat them in that marinade, and let them chill for at least half an hour. Overnight if you're patient. If you want to lighten that herb kick, just add extra yogurt to mellow it out. Time to grill. Heat up a tawa with just a touch of olive oil. Lay down the chicken, cover it up, and cook about 4 minutes per side. Serve the freshly grilled herb tawa chicken alongside with the next level tomato chutney. Next level tomato chutney. Tiny pan. 1 spoon of coconut oil. Pop in mustard seeds till they dance. Throw in garlic, a dried chili, and curry leaves. Instant vibes. Add blended tomatoes. Cook till thick. Stir in tamarind paste and a little raw honey. Season with salt, and boom, chutney done. Thank you for watching.